Let me just congratulate you. Since you became the deputy president, you have carried out the professionalism that you showed as a cabinet secretary interior to the office of the deputy president. Now the office of the deputy president is more dignified, it is respected, it is engaging. You have really properly assisted His Excellency the President in the delivery of the service of the office of the President in a very dignified manner. And we want to say that as a ministry, we will continue supporting you and the President, and to make sure that the remaining part of the programs in the next 1 year are completed, so that as His Excellency starts a new term together with you after next year's elections, we will be having now newer program to upscale the issues we have promised the people of Kenya to the next level. We want the Prisons Department to be part of the conversation of the vision beyond 2030, so that we modernize our programs, we improve our equipment, we make sure that this service is properly contributing to the development of our country. Otherwise, Your Excellency, I'm very happy. You know, in Senate, I was your deputy, Your Excellency, and I know your work ethic. I was looking at us today here, and it was very interesting. When you exited that office to become from the majority leader seat, and I occupy that office, I learned a lot from you. And my deputy is also here, who is the chair of the Committee of Security. So the Lord works in mysterious ways, and you can see from one way or another, we keep getting this opportunity to serve Kenyans. And we want to promise Kenyans that we'll continue serving them with dignity, with honor, so that then the people of Kenya can get value for money for the resources they give us to serve them.